Welcome back. It's your host, Mr. Gray. I just want to thank you for tuning in today. I just want to talk about this beautiful shoe that dropped last week. Social Status had a beautiful collaboration with Nike, they hit it. They hit it perfectly. So they dropped a collaboration of sneakers for I guess I would say the free lunch edition, and they hit the mark. I'm trying to say they hit the fields. I watched the first video and it was just a great video. Anyway, a lot of you guys are probably like, what video? Either way, it was on the website when they initially launched I guess the idea of the thought, or they were letting us know that this sneaker was dropping. And the video was great. There were a couple more videos after that. I did not watch all of them, admittingly. Either way, the original Dunk that they released that I don't have came out, I guess, a couple weeks ago. But the strawberry milk, the Nike Social Status free lunch strawberry milk dropped last week. And if you knew about them, what you did know is that, unfortunately, for the adult or the men's sizing, they gave us the mids. I'm not a Dunk mids guy. I'm just this close from letting go of Dunk highs, because I really like lows when it comes to Dunks. But I wasn't too excited about the fact that they did not give us the Dunk low for the strawberry milk. But for some weird reason, they gave the toddlers and toddlers in preschool. They got the Dunk low, which it's absolutely beautiful, and that's what I was able to get. I was not lucky enough, not fortunate enough to get my size, so I went for the kid size, which I have a daughter, so this is a little bit bigger for my daughter, and she really, really wants it. I told her it might be like a year before she can wear it properly. Either way, this box is creative. Yes, there's been other beautiful creative boxes. It just seems like when companies get creative with Dunks, they go all out when it comes to the material, when it comes to the boxes and such. As far as I'm concerned, I haven't seen a box that has had this much, this much thought put into it. I'd say, me personally, since the Chunky Dunks, that box was really awesome. But if you want to go a lot further back, for some of you guys who don't know older Dunks, the Dunk, what was it? Milk cartons. Now that box was stupid awesome as well. But this is another good box. I know some people can't wear the box. Don't care. Either way, it's just like when you buy something and it has an extra accessory. It just makes it that much more awesome. So as you can see, you have the box. It really has that cereal box look. But then they took it another level, you guys. They took it another level. They won't playing. The box contents, a serving size, 1 pair, amount per serving, 2 shoes, contents. You got the main swoosh. You got the mini swoosh. It says you got 2 mini swooshes because, of course, each shoe has a swoosh on it. The eye stays, the laces, main panels, vamp, quarter, foxing, tongues. And then you know how you have your nutritional value, of course, all through there. At the bottom, it tells you the percentages. 100% work ethic, 100% authenticity, 100% integrity. That is it's beautiful. Social Status, you really, really did it. It's just ridiculously nice box. I can't really explain what the point of that is. I can. You know how you have a cereal box and sometimes you have little games on it you can play. So you got that little maze there. Other than that, as far as the outside of the box is concerned, that's what you have. The paper on the inside, you got the little kids right here running around with Social Status logos right there. And of course, I'm not going to show you guys. Well, hold on. I don't want to show you guys a shoe this early. I want you guys to, sorry for all that crinkling. I'm going to wait to the light box to show you guys the shoe. But I do want you to see the rest of this paper here. Trying not to throw the box to the floor, you guys. Oh, shoot. Look at that. I wouldn't even saw that if I didn't open it up. But anyway, I did see this. So you got the lunch menu for the whole week. Check that out. Social Status, look, you guys got to come back and give us a low. That that mid is not kicking it. I mean, it's still sexy. And the truth is, you guys, I really, I don't have the mid strawberry milk, free lunch strawberry milk, but I really looked at it really hard online, and I really compared it to the low, and it has this, it's the same exact material, same exact everything. Of course, the difference between the only difference would be whatever differences you typically have between a mid and a low dunk, such as like the heel is different. There's that little heel tab. There's that little heel tab on the mid, but the dunk low doesn't have a heel tab like that. But anyway, one thing I just noticed in the box, and I wouldn't have known that if I didn't take the paper out, is you actually have your lunch tray there with your lunch on it. So, I mean, they went all out on the details. And the shoe, wait till we get in the light box, y'all. The shoe is really, it's really, really good quality shoe. For people with small feet who can get into a preschool size, man, you're gonna have the best one as far as I'm concerned. Actually, hey, I feel like for people with small feet, the mids would be nice. I don't know, man. I can't live with mids. I can't. I'm sorry. It's just a thing. But either way, I'm not gonna I'm really holding ourselves here. I'm not gonna delay any longer. We are now gonna review the Nike Social Status Free Lunch Strawberry Milk in the light box. Over we go. So into the light box as promised. This shoe is an incredible shoe. I'm sorry, guys. I just been looking at it. It is a beautiful shoe. We were done wrong for not getting a men's size of this, but little kids, itty bitty feet committee, or whatever you call you little people with the little feet, you guys are so lucky to get this shoe. Let's just go into the details of this shoe. It is beautiful. God knows it is beautiful. So let's start with the surrounding toe box, not the toe box, but the surrounding toe box. So this even though I never owned those Valentine's Strangelove dunks, I believe they came out. I don't know if it was last Valentine's Day or the Valentine's Day before that. Well, actually, I know it was either 2020 or 2019 that the Strangelove dunks came out, and they had that it was a lot more. It was a more, I guess it was more red, but I believe there was some pink in it as well. I don't own them, unfortunately. Had that crushed velvet looking suede on it. Kind of reminds me of this. This suede here has a nice little shimmer on it. If you notice right there, it's beautiful. As you can see, it has that mini swoosh. Then the toe box, y'all, if you want this shoe, if you can fit it, matter of fact, if you can bring yourself to wear a mid, you want this shoe. One, colorway is awesome, but two, the quality. This quality is beautiful. This leather on the toe box is so soft and succulent. Then oh my God, you guys know I'm a sucker for midsoles that are either like kind of that off-white or that what do you call it? That age look. So the midsoles are kind of more of an off-white coloring. The outsoles actually are kind of an army green color. I don't care about any but what they have on the box. These are my colors. They have an army green color on the outsole. The side panel leather, as you can see, is ridiculous. It's like it looks like elephant skin, but it's so soft. I haven't touched an elephant, so I don't even know if they have soft skin. But this right here, oh man, I might stretch out and get the mids, y'all. I know I don't like this glue stain here, but I may stretch out and get these mids. These are so nice that I may consider actually getting the mids, and I don't really want with mids. But anyway, jumping back into the shoe, before we go any further back, then you got this swoosh. You see that? Do you see that? That milk in the swoosh. They put a milk in the swoosh, y'all. Come on, y'all. It don't get any. The details on the shoe are amazing. I mean, it's just a lovely shoe. No, it's not like a chunky dunk or a Dunk Civilist or a Dunk Ray Gun or anything like that. But still, it's attention to detail. It's the quality of the shoe really is just amazing. I'm sorry, and this review is taking me a while because it's just as I get to each part of the shoe, it's just so well done. But anyway, back into this swoosh. So this swoosh is like a gel. It's a gel. It's almost like a gel. It is a gel. A gel Nike swoosh here, as you can see me pressing on it. Then look at the eyelets. More crushed suede. I'm gonna call it crushed suede. Suede. More crushed suede, but a lighter pink suede there, as you can see. Then you got these thick rope shoelaces here. Nice, nice. They have that more of that old pink. I'm gonna call it old pink. I'm sure there's a better color for it, but for today it's old pink. Then you go into the heel. Okay. I'm not even gonna say it again, but I'm gonna just get it out. All the leather on the shoe is amazing. All of it, period. It's all amazing. So we got that out of the way. Then on the heel, we got more of that. I'm calling it crushed suede, but it has that, God knows, has that nice little sheen or that nice little, that you can just see that shine kind of hanging off of it. It really looks good. Got Nike in pink right there. And then, bam, more detail. Ingredients. Nike Sportswear Social Status. I mean, these guys weren't playing, man. They came to dominate with this shoe. So now let's go into the tongue. So they put nice leather on the tongue as well. I mean, wow, Social Status. What were we doing? Why were we going so hard? And then you got this on the tongue right here. This Social Status. It's pretty much like it looks like a sticker. Well, hey, it looks like a stamp actually, more so, as you can see right, how you see those things right there. Almost looks like a stamp. But anyway, let's see. Oh, what's this say? Well, those might be generic. Oh yeah, it's generic. Nike and the swoosh name and logo, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, then you got that, what is that? I don't even know what to call that color. It's not blue, but it's like electric blue, but it's like Miami blue, Jeez. These are ridiculous. I apologize, guys. I'm really screwing this up because I'm talking about how much I'm into this shoe. Then on the insole, you can see the mix of the Nike swoosh and the Social Status logo, which is almost just kind of like the kiss, almost like the cherry on top of the sundae. I mean, this shoe is really, really nice. The one thing that I'm only missing here is back here, as you can see right here, is we have these spare shoelaces. They're really like they're not orange. They're peach color. They're actually peach colored. I know they kind of fall. They're almost orange, but it's not like that bright, hazard orange. It would be either a light orange to peach. Kind of sits in the middle almost. And they match really well with, as you can see, these portions of the swoosh that don't have the milk in it. One detail I almost missed here. See, y'all see that right there. Sell by fall 2021. Because milk expires, y'all. I tell you guys, Social Status, I know I've said it enough, guys, and I apologize for saying it so much, but Social Status really did a good job on these. Hats off to you guys. This is another good dunk in the books. This is, and not just to throw it at dunks, because we act like it's all about dunks. It's not all about dunks. It's all about a lot of sneakers. This is another good sneaker, period. Another good colorway in the books. A very quality shoe. I would hope at some point, I might as well get over it. They're not going to sneak us a low in. I'm going to spend some time staring at the mids after this video and just try my best to talk myself into buying a mid. But I really don't want a mid, y'all. Either way, I just want to thank Social Status for the detail they put in the shoe. And actually allowed me to get one from the website. The bots did not eat because I got one and now my daughter's trying to take it because I can't wear it anyway. So anyway, guys, I just want to thank you for catching this review here. If this review has persuaded you into getting the mids for yourself, hey man, let me know in the comments. I'm just curious because I'm almost there. If you get the mids, tell me. If you have the mids, tell me what you think. I just don't know what I think about it yet. But anyway, I just want to thank you guys for tuning in. I asked you just to give this video a thumbs up. And if you like my videos at all, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. So when I drop a new video, you are instantaneously notified that some heat is coming for your eyes. Either way, guys, thanks again for tuning in. Mr. Gray out.